Use the baking soda and powdered sugar, mix along ant trails, entry points, and dark crevices where ants travel or nest. Apply the powder in a thin line directly on visible ant trails to ensure workers carry the bait back to the nest, and refresh the line daily until activity stops. Focus on cracks in walls and gaps around baseboards because ants use these narrow pathways. Use a folded piece of paper or small brush to push the powder into the gap without creating a pile. Put small, dusty patches in room corners and along kitchen floors where crumbs accumulate, and place dust at thresholds and door sills where ants move between rooms. For cabinets and pantry edges, pull items forward and lay the mix along the back seam and the cabinet base where ants travel unseen. Do not saturate the powder or place it in wet or greasy spots because moisture and oils prevent ants from picking it up and can cause the mixture to cake. Reapply after sweeping or mopping, and especially after heavy traffic because disturbed powder reduces bait uptake. Keep pets and children away from treated lines until the powder is cleaned up. Common mistakes include putting large, dusty piles that ants avoid, so keep the application thin and spread out. Avoid piles by using a teaspoon to lay a hairline trail. Another issue is placing bait where moisture or food residues prevent contact, so clean, oily areas first and then apply to dry surfaces. People often expect immediate results. This bait works by being carried to the nest, so allow several days and continue refreshing the trail until no workers return. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by helping people locate professionals near their projects and by letting contractors find new leads in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share first-hand advice on treatments like bait placement and day-to-day troubleshooting.